I am autistic. And there's nothing wrong with that. Thank you for making me believe there is a world ready to accept and include neurodiverse people like me.
Hinangaan ng maraming netizens ang isang psychology graduate na may autism. Sa pagtanggap ng kanyang parangal bilang summa cum laude sa De La Salle University, nagpasalamat si Juan Alfonso Dacumos, o mas kilala bilang Japons, sa mga taong tumanggap sa kanyang pagkatao.
We noticed that in the Philippines, there's always this glass ceiling or the ceiling placed on autistic people. A lot of people really look at their capacities and their life with pessimism. So what I wanted to say is, with the proper accommodations, the proper supports, and an adjusted environment that would be more conducive for autistic individuals, they could not only grow and develop, but they could also thrive to become the people that they want themselves to be.
Kwento ni Japons na diagnose siyang nasa autism spectrum noong 18 years old pa lang siya. Hindi raw naging madali para sa kanya ang makipag-socialize sa ibang tao. Pero matapos ang kanyang diagnosis, naging daan ito para mas maintindihan niyang maigi ang kanyang sarili.
Nahihirapan talaga with some social situations. In retrospect, the diagnosis gave clarity to that. In college, understanding why I would be really overwhelmed or overstimulated. Some of my friends would tell me I would really leave conversations in the middle of them. Some people might take it against me. My friends really did point it out and tell me that, oh, you do this. So the diagnosis gave it a lot of clarity talaga. Made it easier for me to understand myself moving forward.
Kaya para kay Japons, malaking bagay ang pagkakaroon ng supportive environment na hindi nilimitahan ang kanyang kapasidad. Ang payo niya naman para sa mga katulad niyang na-diagnose na may autism, huwag itong ituring na hadlang sa mga pangarap sa buhay.
Especially the younger ones, try to understand or work to understand as much as possible what the condition means to you and how it relates to you and how it relates to your future.
Plano ni Japon sa simulan sa susunod na taon ang pag-aaral sa graduate school. Sa ngayon, ipinagpapatuloy niya ang kanyang research sa psychological study ng autism. Isang paraan para mas paigtingin pa ang kaalaman ng publiko tungkol sa disorder na ito.
Showed me that was not something to be ashamed of, nor a hindrance that I have to constantly overcome. And instead, you showed me that my autism is a part of me that can coexist with my best self.